Motherfucker with Ryan Fest, you know what I'm saying? Once again, on my Poe. Big D in the house. I'll let you boy. Ryan Fest, man. Shot down, though.
It's Ryan Fest. You know we about to swoop down on these niggas cause I'm doing it with tune. What you wanna do, homeboy? Don't make me brand you. That was last year. This year I'm real brand new. Don't fuck around with these niggas. Can't hang with this. Check it out. I ain't even got a chain with this. I got a jump drive. I can get it jumping, pumping. Tell them motherfuckers a little something. What you wanna do, Ryan Fest? I'm a star. And everywhere I go, I carry around my A&R. Yeah, that's the picture. I can get with ya. Ryan Fest coming through. I'm about to split ya. This a freestyle, nigga. Fuck what you say. All from the top of my head like a toupee. Make it hot like Tabasco. Ryan Fest. I build a castle, make a hassle. What you wanna do, you fucking asshole? Let the door hit you where it split you. Talk shit, yeah, Fest gon' get you. Hold on, hold on, yeah. I let DJ Toomp do it. I let DJ Toomp do it. He can mix on the 24 track board. He don't even need turntables to record. What you wanna do? All your styles is bored. Motherfucker, I'ma get you with the sword, not a gun or a thumper. I'm the rhyme chumper, I'm the rhyme pumper. I can't think of nothing else, nigga.
Tell me brother that I miss you. Why speaking this against you? It's called look in your eye, I don't mean I kiss you. I don't know you, I don't even miss you. Where miss you in the bed, I miss you. Look at that, you got mad and reaching out for your pistol.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Why you never time I'm so official? Something, I'm so official. Even got the stripes in my whistle.
I'm so official. Give me stripes in the whistle.
Hey, I'm so official. Just give me stripes in the whistle. Yeah. You know. Think about this, boy.
Maybe because we like you natural, and that's true.
I know about I'm on the way
Take it back. I ain't even got no lipstick in these white shoes. Maybe because we like you natural, and that's true.
I know about I'm on the way I'm on the dance like da. Cause I would just say what's up. Cause I would just say what's up.
But I just
see, but I'm thinking about it. I don't know what all I can remember is I was just saying what's up. Cause I was just saying what's up. But it's a part where I went higher.
Yo, Ryan Fest. Get ready for the new album, El Che. Got my man Toomp in the building, you know what I'm saying? You know him from such his as Yo Mama. Such his as Good Life, you know what I'm saying? All that motherfucking Jeezy shit, what you know about that? All that shit, you know what I mean? We doing it, man. We creating change, we creating revolution. And you know where y'all really fucked up? Y'all just missed this conversation we just had. We was doing the ill comparisons, like we play this game, like if you pick one motherfucker, you eliminate the other motherfucker from the planet completely, like none of this shit existed. So it's like, who would you rather be here, LL or Big Daddy Kane? Who would you rather be here, NWA or Ghetto Boys? You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, which one would you pick, you know? And man, nigga, that game, it get hard, nigga, it get hard, nigga, it get hard.